In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain an API key for the CloudVision API on Google Cloud. Getting set up with an API key is a crucial step if you're looking to access the powerful capabilities of Google's CloudVision API, and I'm here to walk you through it seamlessly. The first thing you need to do is sign in to the Google Cloud Console. You can do this by navigating to console.cloud.google.com. Once you're on the website, you'll be prompted to use your Google account to access the console. If you don't have a Google account yet, I suggest creating one because you'll need it to proceed. Next, it's time to create or select a project. At the top of the dashboard, you'll notice a project selector. If you have an existing project that you'd like to use, go ahead and select it. However, if you're starting fresh, you will need to create a new project. Look for the New Project button, give your project a meaningful name, and save it. Remember, this project will house your API activities, so choose something relevant. After setting up your project, it's crucial to ensure that billing is enabled. The Vision API does provide some free usage, but any usage beyond that will require billing to be activated. Follow the prompts to enter your billing details if you haven't already done so. Now, you'll want to enable the Vision API within your project. To do this, head over to the APIs and Services section located in the left side menu. From there, click on Library. In the search bar, type in CloudVision API. When it appears in the results, click on it and then hit the Enable button. This will activate the API services you need. With the Vision API enabled, the next step is to create your API key. Still in APIs and Services, but now navigate to the Credentials tab. You'll see a button labeled Create Credentials. Click on it and select API Key from the drop-down menu. Congratulations, you've now created an API key. Be sure to copy this key string as it's crucial for accessing the API. To enhance security, it's highly recommended to restrict your new API key. On the Keys Details page within the console, you'll find several options to restrict the key's usage. For example, you can restrict access to the Vision API only, limit usage to specific IP addresses, or define referrer URLs. These restrictions help protect your key from unauthorized use. And there you have it. Your API key for the CloudVision API is all set up. With these steps completed, you're ready to start integrating Google's powerful image recognition technology into your projects. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding!